Hello everyone, my lecture topic is global oil crisis. As we know that energy is the basic necessity for the economic and development of the country. Like we see that we have to heavily dependent on the energy to run our industries, house, electricity, and run the vehicles as well, etc. So we have to dependent on oil. So like oil is very few amount is found in India. So we have heavily depend on the other countries. Like we import most of the oil from the Middle East as well as Russia. Nowadays, if we look at the recent example, like in the conflict of Russia and Ukraine, the USA put sanction on Russia to export the oil to other countries. So it would be a great benefit for India. Like India is a neutral country. He is not in favor of the Russia or Ukraine. It will be like if we see the recent observation, like India is fully neutral. Yeah, where they have to our foreign minister as Shankar, where they have to speak, they speak until they keep quiet. So definitely it is a great profit for the India to purchase oil from the Russia, like as Russia export his oil in very less price, so India take advantage of this. On the other hand, China is a neighboring country of the Russia, so it would be a great advantage for China to purchase oil from the Russia. So obviously, if we see, like we do not do not purchase this in cash. Obviously, if we took the oil from the Russia, we have to export some of the products to Russia. So we are the largest producer of wheat, so we export wheat to the Russia. In place, we purchased oil from the uh, Russia. So definitely, in the if we look at the recent example, like in the interim budget of 2024, the prime minister also launches a scheme related to solar yojana. So it would be a target of 3 crore household to plant the solar panels to at the rooftop of the, and many other mega projects related to solar power also installed. So we would decrease the dependency on the solar power, and definitely it will not only help in dependence, less dependent on the other country, but also help in our in the uh, in the in protect our environment. So it will be a benefit for our country in a long term. So definitely, if we see that, thank you.